myself Noora from Standard 9th. And I am Vishnu Chandradia from Standard 9th. To bright the morning, I would like to call on the stage Mr. Jamit to deliver good thoughts in front of us.
Good morning everyone. The first one is, it is never too late start doing the right thing, and the second, silence is golden.
Thank you to deliver good thoughts. Further, I would like to call Mr. Hiren on the stage to chant a bhajan and make our prayer spiritual.
Good morning everyone. Myself Podiyaka Hiren. Today I will present a song. To travel foreign need a train. To travel India need a train. To travel foreign need a train. To travel India need a train. Listen mother my sikhotar not visa I did your friend. Travel foreign need a train. To travel India need a train. Listen mother my sikhotar not visa I did your friend. I want to be girl and I want to world friend. Listen mother my sikhotar not visa I did your plan. Meaning in Gujarati. विदेश फरवा ट्रेन जो है इंडिया फरवा ट्रेन जो है विदेश फरवा ट्रेन जो इंडिया फरवा ट्रेन जो है वो बढ़ते हर माड़ी रे बीजा नहीं तारो वेण जो दुनिया आखी फैन जो है बल बलाना वेण जो है दुनिया आखी फैन जो है बल बलाना वेण जो है वो बढ़ते हर माड़ी रे बीजा नहीं तारो वेण जो है विदेश फरवा ट्रेन जो है इंडिया फरवा ट्रेन जो है वो बढ़ते हर माड़ी रे बीजा नहीं तारो वेण जो है.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Hiren, to make our prayer spiritual. As we know, a motivational story can change our life. As this, I would like to call Mr. Vishal on the stage to tell a motivational story and motivation us.
Good morning everyone. My name is myself Bhatadia Vishal. Today I will present motivational story. The title of the story, A Bee and a Bird. Once a bird asked the bee, after a continuous hard work you prepare the honey, but a man steals honey. Don't you feel sad? Then the bee replied, no, never, because a man can steal my honey but not my art of making honey or my hard work. The moral of the story, believe in yourself.
Thank you, Mr. Vishal, for the motivational story. Munal, do you know about IQ power? Yes, brother, I know about it. To test our IQ, I would like to call Mr. Tux on the stage to ask the question in front of us. Myself, Bhardiya Tux, today I will present some questions in front of you. Question number 1. How many times India has won the Cricket World Cup? Wrong. Yes, the question answer 2 times. Question number 2. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of the India? The answer is Kerala. 3. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? Japan. Question number 4. Which is the longest river of India? Yes, the Ganga. Question number 5. What was the old name of Mumbai? The answer is Bombay. Question number 6. Which is the largest bank of India? The answer is SBI, State Bank of India. Thank you. 10 seconds, Mr. Tux. As we know, laughing is the best medicine for our health. To make us laugh, Mr. Raj is coming with jokes.
Good morning, friends. Myself, Gorfan Raj. Today I will present some jokes in front of you. The first one is Papu says, "When will the Punjab Express arrive?" TT says, "At 5 o'clock." Papu says, "Local?" TT says, "At 9 o'clock." Papu says, "Malgadi?" TT says, "At 1 o'clock. But where do you go?" Papu says, "Nowhere, just had to take selfie on the track." The second one is teacher says, "What does your father do?" Raju says, "He abuse every day." Teacher says, "What do you mean?" Raju says, "He is the customer care executive." The third is Papu went to court. Judge says, "Order, order." Papu says, "1 pizza, 2 dosa and 3 idli and 1 cold drink." Judge, "Set up." Papu, No, 7 up." Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Raj. Today's good thought is a negative mind will never give you a positive life. Thank you everyone to enjoy and listen our prayer interestingly. Have a glorious day.